Hey, it's Maddie, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be playing Slime Ranchers. Um, I've kind of already played this game before. Not my fault though, because it was kind of really fun when I first got it. But I wanted to do something different. I wanted to see how many creations I can make out of all the slimes. If you haven't gotten this game already, it's actually pretty fun. As you see, it's kind of just a bunch of little dudes jumping about and being slimes. So, yeah, I guess let's just get in. Yeah, just ignore that. I'll do a new game. Uh, we're doing slime up. This is our thing we're having. Basically, these pink dudes are like the easiest little slimes to come across, and you just like, and that just ate a chick. Wow, that was in cold blood and everything. Okay, wow. Basically, you just shoot them in these things, and kind of just trap them, and they're forever yours, and they can never leave you. So, what should we do first? Should we get food or slimes? We can always get both, right? Let's get. Otherwise, we'll just get both. There you go. Never have too much of anything, right? Okay. These things like eat anything. Like I bet if you just, I bet if they even eat like baby chicks. I never like tested that though. Even though I played it before, I never tested it because I never wanted to see the monstrosity of it. And like it doesn't even give it a second thought. It just eats it. Whoa, what was that? Was that just me, or did you just see? Pretty sure one of them just like turned bronze or something. But okay. I I don't know if I was hallucinating or not. You guys gotta tell me if I'm hallucinating. I don't even know. Coming to that age where I can't remember things. Oh, I guess okay, never mind. Okay. Wow, we got like everything. I just demolished a whole entire slime village over here. It's slime up now. Gotta level up? Nope, more like slime up. New catchphrase. It's a thing now. Now you guys are my prisoners. Have fun. Oh wait, no, come here. You guys are gonna drop out. I don't think I have enough. No, I don't. I'm gonna get enough. That's kind of creepy, actually. It's like, let me just capture you, imprison you forever, never let you go to your home again, and just feed you until you, like, shit yourself, basically, and let me just take it and sell it. And we'll just repeat. It'll be a good time. Don't worry, there's plenty of carrots. Imagine if you were forced to eat carrots for the rest of your life. Like, I don't even like vegetables, let alone carrots. Which is a vegetable. I don't know why I said that. In this game. Alright, let's see if they eat the chicken. Chicken do. Eat it. Wait, yeah, you eat anything. I need it. No, I didn't. I guess not. Okay, fine. Didn't want you to eat anyways. Never. Okay. So basically, the big reason of me making this game was to make like these things, but to make like a bunch of them. But I need to make enough like corrals or whatever you call it, ow, to like contain all of them. Ah, I didn't want you to eat that. Stop it. Okay. I'm sorry the frame rate is just sucking in this game. I'm so sorry. What else am I doing? Oh, there's a tabby cat. So yeah, if you like toss it, eats it, and makes these like really big creations. I'm stealing this one. Ow! Ah, I knew that was gonna happen. I saw it coming and I was like, no, it's not gonna happen. Actually, I want to shoot you. Never mind, I was just kidding. Okay, see how far I can shoot you. Go. Psh, who said cats can't fly? Oh, I almost made it to the island. Now I feel really bad. I just massacred it into water. And don't like cats hate water too? Oh, that's like the deaths of all deaths. Oh god, I feel like a terrible human now. Okay. Everybody just don't remember what just happened. Come to slime up and you my pink slime prisoners. It'll be a good time. I don't feel it. So basically I was up and they got out. Okay, cool. Basically I was just kind of gathering some stuff and I upgraded and built this things and stuff. And I went and got Tappy Cats and I fed him one of them. And then, yep, that's basically all I really did. Fascinating, I know. Okay, so I'm gonna put these guys back in there. And here, maybe I can feed you one of these. Eat. Will you die, son? I don't think you will. Hopefully you won't. Hope not. And we'll feed one of you then. Eat. Eat. Okay. So I fed them all. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Go. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go back out and get some more stuff. Oh wait, also I found this out too. If you turn your flashlight on the tree, it like totally changes. It's really funny. Should fix that. But okay. Leaves. You guys don't need food. Mine. Go away. It's just like, see, pink slimes are like the most common things. So it's like it's all you find. And it gets really annoying. Can I go over here? Oh, whoa, I can. Whoa! What are you? Oh, you're a chicken. That's like, I didn't... cool. Hide over there. I'm not gonna try that. Nope, I'm gonna die. Get out here. Jump. Oh, you're just a way back. Oh, okay. Cool, I would have never known that. Get some more of these guys. Okay. I'm not just food over here or not. I also discovered this too while I was away. I don't know. Oh, you're a stone. Oh, I want you. That's mine. Go away. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Okay. I'm gonna do it. Cool. Excuse me. Any more carrots? There's carrots. Just 3 carrots. Cool. Okay. Got more food. I really love how the music goes from like playing in one area to like something else and coming here. It's like really like nice and calming. It's like, welcome back to your farm that you are imprisoning all these lovely creatures in, and you're poorly feeding them because you all suck. So, excuse me, excuse me. You gotta have all my things. Ow! Whoa, what was that? Oh, it's oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, no, bad. Go away. Go away. Okay, so that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Ow, no, go away. This is bad. Okay, this is. Ow, I'm gonna die. Cool. Okay, so but just don't mind me or anything, but yeah, okay. What happened? Nothing happened. I'm not a mass murderer or anything. Why are you guys all pissed off? I mean, I would be too pissed off if like I had to live in that corral for the rest of my life. But I mean, that can't be the reason why you guys are mad. No way. Okay. I shouldn't have done that. I should have. I'm so stupid. Oh, I can still kill him. Good. Maybe I shouldn't have like 40 million in here. That'd probably be a good thing not to have. Oh, hello. That happened. We'll separate you guys over here. Sorry for not making the frame rate any better. Okay, what do you guys jumped out? Oh, there you are. Go. Okay. Now let's go sell your poop on eBay. This is eBay now. Oh wait, maybe the thing I saw earlier is like that thing. Oh, I should have got it. If you know, I said I played it before. I never said I was good at the game. Okay, carrots. One of them ate it. Waste of a little blob. Just gonna kill some more of them. How to solve your problems. Someone eats your food. Just kill them by throwing it off an edge. It's definitely how life works. Take my advice, kids. Ooh, look at all that fruit over there. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going over here. I can sell you. I can sell you. I can sell you. Oh, you little thing of joy in my life. Nope, don't hurt me. Don't, nope. Please. I beg. Oh, frame rate is not good for me. Wait. I think there's something bad going on. Oh, yep, it's over there. My frame rate is sucking right now, so I'm not even gonna get involved in that. Yep, bye. Sorry, guys on your own. Okay. I think I should stop it here. I like this game. I don't know, it's really cute, and if you think about it, it's kind of evil in its own ways, because it's basically just letting you imprison these slime things, and then you just trap them forever, and then you're stuck with you, as you know. But, let me know if you guys enjoyed it, or if you guys did it or not, and what other games I should do and stuff. Just gonna sell their poop. So, yeah, I guess next video I'll try something, I don't know. But, thanks for watching, guys, and bye.